Hello students, I am going to continue the same topic, that is integration. Today we discuss about miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Correct. Question number 1. Integration 1 upon x minus x cube dx. In this question, you can take out common x cube, take out common x cube, 1 upon x square minus 1 dx. Let 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to t. And you know that derivative of 1 by x square, derivative of 1 by x square, that is minus 2 upon x cube dx is equal to dt. Therefore you can write minus 1 by 2 outside, integration of 1 by t dt. And integration of 1 by t, log t, that is answer. After that put the value of t. Clear? Now question number 4. Integration 1 upon x square x to the power 4 plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 4. You can take common, in this question you can take common x to the power 4, and you know that x to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4, it means x cube. Therefore 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4 dx. Let 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to t. And the derivative of 1 by x to the power 4, that is minus 4 upon x to the power 5 dx is equal to dt. Therefore you can write minus 1 by 4 shifted here, integration 1 upon t dt. And integration of 1 by t you know very well, that is log t. Further you can solve. Next question number 8. E to the power 5 log x minus e to the power 4 log x divided by e to the power 3 log x minus e to the power 2 log x dx. Property, according to the property of log, you know that e to the power log of x to the power 5, you can write 5 here. Similarly, e to the power log x to the power 4 upon e to the power log x cube minus e to the power log x square. And property, e to the power log f of x, that is equal to f of x. This is the main property. According to this property, you can write x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 upon x cube minus x square dx. You can take common, x to the power 4 common, x minus 1, x square common, x minus 1, cancel, dx square, and integration of x square you know very well, x cube by 3, integration of x square you know, x cube by 3. This is the solution of this question. Question number 8. Question number 10. Integration sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x upon 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. In this question, firstly simplify the numerator. Sin to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x, you can write, applying here formula a square minus b square, a square minus b square. You can write sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x and sin to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x. Sin to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x, add and subtract in this 2 sin square x cos square x, add and subtract 2 sin square x cos square x, and again here apply formula, a square minus b square, that is sin square x minus cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x. You know that this is perfect square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, you know that a plus b whole square. So according to that result you can write sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x, and this is the formula minus cos square x, and this is equal to 1. Therefore you can write 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x, and this minus cos 2x as it is. When you put this quantity here, then this will cancel. Here minus cos 2x, and the integration of minus cos 2x you know very well. Simple, correct. Question number 15. Integration cos cube x e to the power log sin x dx. Cos cube x e to the power log sin x dx. The formula you know, according to that formula sin x dx. Now let cos x is equal to t. Further you can solve 16 e to the power 3 log x into 1 plus x to the power 4 whole to the power minus 1 dx. According to the property 3, you can shift here 3, that is equal to x cube into 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Now in this question let 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to t. X plus 4 is equal to t. Okay. Further you can solve. Question number 18. Integration 1 upon sin cube x sin x plus alpha. Sin cube x sin x plus alpha. Formula you know, sin x plus y. Apply that formula. Sin cube x, formula you know, sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. You can take common sin h common from here, so it becomes sin to the power 4x. Here cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha dx. Here multiply and divide by sin, then sin will common, then cot remain. The 1 by sin to the power 4x, you know very well, cos x dx, and that is cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha. Now in this question let cos alpha plus cot x sin alpha is equal to t, and the derivative of cos alpha, you know, 0 minus cos x square x into sin alpha dx is equal to dt. Therefore cos x square x dx you can write minus 1 by sin alpha dt. Correct? Therefore the question become minus 1 by sin alpha and 1 by root t, and the integration of 1 by root t, you know, that is 2 root t plus e. What is the value of t? That is the answer. Correct? This is question number 18, very important question. 18 onwards, 18 to 33, all are very, very important question. Clear? Next, question number 20. Integration root 1 minus root x upon 1 plus root x dx. In this question, multiply and divide by 1 minus root x upon 1 minus root x dx. That is 1 minus root x upon, you know, that 1 minus x dx. Clear? Rationalize the denominator. Clear? Now separate integration 1 upon root 1 minus x dx minus integration root x upon root 1 minus x dx. This is minus 2 root 1 minus x answer, and let this part is I1. Clear? I1, you know, that is root x upon root 1 minus x integration dx, let root 1 minus x is equal to t, squaring both sides, that is 1 minus x is equal to t square, and dx is equal to minus 2t dt. In place of x you can write from here, in place of x 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square upon t into minus 2t dt. This will cancel, minus 2 integration root 1 minus t square dt, and this is formula, you know, formula t by 2, this as it is, plus a square by 2 sin inverse t plus c. This is the formula. Now, what is the value of t? What is the value of t? Therefore, I1 is equal to minus 2. Value of t, you know, you can take 1 by 2 common. Then 2 will cancel. And the value of t, you know, root 1 minus x and 1 minus t square, you know, x, that is root x, and the sine inverse root 1 minus x plus c. This is answer. Other put in first. I is equal to minus 2 root 1 minus x minus into minus plus, that is root x minus x square, and sine inverse, that is equal to cos inverse root x plus c. This is the answer. Correct? Sine inverse root 1 minus x you can convert in the form of cos using triangle according to the second chapter. Clear? This is question number 20. This is question number 20. Clear? Next, question number 21. Integration e to the power x 2 plus sine 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. In this question we use that type, e to the power x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power x f of x. Integration by parts. You can write 2 upon 1 plus cos 2x plus sine 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x dx. Formula, you know, 1 plus cos 2x, that is formula 2 cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x, here 2 cos square x. You know that this will cancel, cos to cos cancel, e to the power x sec square x, sin by cos, you know, tan x, and according to the property, you know, that is f of x and this is f dash x. You can write e to the power x tan x plus c. This is the solution of question number 21. Clear? Next, question number 25. Integration pi by 2 to pi e to the power x 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x dx. Same type, same procedure. E to the power x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e to the power x f of x. Same procedure. Integration pi by 2 to pi e to the power x, you can write separate 1 upon 1 minus cos x, 1 upon 1 minus cos x, and 1 minus cos x, that is formula 2 sin square x by 2 minus sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and that is 2 sin square x by 2 dx. Integration pi by 2 to pi e to the power x 1 by 2 cos x square x by 2. This will cancel, cos by sin of cot x by 2 dx. You know that this is f dash x and this is f of x. Therefore the answer of this question e to the power x minus cot x by 2 pi, that is pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. When you put here pi, cot pi by 2, cot 90, you know, 0. Cot 90, 0 minus, when you put here pi by 2, e to the power pi by 2, when you put here pi by 2 into 2, pi by 4, and cot pi by 4, you know cot 45 1. Cot 45 1. Therefore, the answer of this question e to the power pi by 2. Answer of this question is e to the power pi by 2. Okay. Okay, students. Now your homework, the revised miscellaneous exercise. Thank you.